We will guide you through how to use macros in Confluence. Quick disclaimer: skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice. Go to atlassian.com/software/confluence and wait for the homepage to load completely before continuing. Click Sign In to open the Atlassian sign-in page. On the Atlassian sign-in page, enter your email address carefully in the email field, making sure it is entered correctly before proceeding. Click Continue to proceed to the password page. Enter your password carefully in the password field, ensuring that it is entered correctly before continuing. Click Login to access your Atlassian account. Click the app switcher icon next to your profile picture to display the available Atlassian applications connected to your account. Select Confluence to access your Confluence workspace. Open the space that you want to use. Open the page that you want to use and wait for it to load completely before continuing. To create a macro, click anywhere on the page and type / to display the available macro commands. You can now browse all available macros. For the second method, click the plus icon in the top toolbar to open the content insertion menu. Use the search bar to find the macro that you want to insert by entering its name into the search field. You can also click View More to browse the complete list of available macros if you prefer to explore all available options before making your selection. You can now view all available macros in one place, making it easier to find the feature you need. Select the macro that you want to insert. For this example, choose Table from the available macros. Click Insert to add the selected macro to your page and wait for the configuration options to appear. Select the number of columns and rows according to your needs. You have now successfully learned how to use macros in Confluence.